Local government in urban areas. Theme D. Governance and democracy. The 12th chapter of Social Science from Class 6. This video contains all possible short questions, short answer type questions, long answer type questions, MCQs and all the questions from book exercise with their proper answers. You will get a better conception and better understanding about this chapter from this video itself. If you want such videos for all the other chapters, please subscribe to the channel. Let us start without wasting time. Question. What is meant by local self-government in cities? Answer. Local self-government in cities means governance by elected representatives to manage local urban issues and services. Question. What is an urban local body? Answer. An urban local body is a local government institution that manages towns and cities. Question. What is the full form of ULB? Answer. The full form of ULB is Urban Local Body. Question. What is the smallest administrative unit in a city? Answer. The smallest administrative unit in a city is a ward. Question. Who is a ward councillor? Answer. A ward councillor is an elected representative of a ward. Question. Who elects a ward councillor? Answer. People living in the ward elect the ward councillor. Question. What is meant by municipal services? Answer. Municipal services are basic services like water supply, sanitation, roads, and street lighting. Question. Name one public utility maintained by urban local bodies. Answer. Water supply is a public utility maintained by urban local bodies. Question. What is solid waste? Answer. Solid waste refers to garbage and refuse generated by households and markets. Question. What is sanitation? Answer. Sanitation means maintaining cleanliness and proper disposal of waste to prevent diseases. Question. Why are urban local bodies necessary in cities? Answer. Urban local bodies are necessary to manage services like water, roads, sanitation, health, and waste management in cities. Question. What problems do cities face due to large population? Answer. Cities face problems like traffic congestion, waste disposal, water shortage, pollution, and housing issues. Question. How does diversity affect city administration? Answer. Diversity increases the need for better planning as people have different languages, cultures, and needs. Question. What role do wards play in urban governance? Answer. Wards help in effective administration and ensure representation of people at the local level. Question. How are complaints related to water and garbage resolved in cities? Answer. Complaints are reported to the ward councillor or municipal office for action. Question. What is the importance of street lighting in cities? Answer. Street lighting ensures safety and helps prevent accidents and crime. Question. How do urban local bodies help in maintaining parks and playgrounds? Answer. They develop, maintain, and provide facilities in parks and playgrounds. Question. Why are cities divided into small administrative units? Answer. Cities are divided into small units to make administration easier and more effective. Question. What responsibilities do citizens have towards urban local bodies? Answer. Citizens should follow rules, keep surroundings clean, save resources, and report problems. Question. How does urban local government ensure public safety? Answer. It maintains roads, street lights, drainage, and supports health and emergency services. Question. Explain how urban local bodies manage cities with large populations. Answer. Urban local bodies manage large populations by dividing cities into wards, providing essential services, collecting taxes, and planning infrastructure and public facilities. Question. Describe the relationship between citizens and urban local bodies. Answer. Urban local bodies provide services, while citizens cooperate by following rules and participating in community activities. Question. Explain the role of urban local bodies in maintaining public health. Answer. They manage sanitation, run hospitals, control diseases, and conduct health programs. Question. Discuss the challenges faced by urban local bodies. Answer. Challenges include rapid population growth, limited funds, pollution, waste management, and infrastructure demand. Question. How do urban local bodies contribute to sustainable city development? Answer. They promote cleanliness, waste management, green spaces, and efficient use of resources. Question. Explain how urban governance differs from rural governance. Answer. Urban governance handles complex services for cities, while rural governance focuses on village-level needs. Question. Your neighborhood park is poorly maintained. What steps should be taken and by whom? Answer. The issue should be reported to the municipal authority, which is responsible for park maintenance. Question. Water supply in your area is irregular. Which authority should be informed and why? Answer. The municipal corporation should be informed as it manages water supply. Question. Roads in your locality are damaged. How can urban local bodies solve this problem? Answer. Urban local bodies can repair and maintain roads using municipal funds. Question. A drain in your street is blocked. What action should citizens take? Answer. Citizens should report the issue to the ward councillor or municipal office. Question. Street vendors are creating congestion. How should the urban local body handle this issue? Answer. The urban local body should regulate vending zones and manage traffic. Question. Why is cleanliness considered a shared responsibility in cities? Answer. Cleanliness needs cooperation between citizens and local authorities to prevent diseases. Question. How can students act as responsible urban citizens? Answer. Students can avoid littering, save water, follow rules, and spread awareness. Question. Why should citizens follow rules made by urban local bodies? Answer. Rules help maintain order, safety, and cleanliness in cities. Question. How does cooperation between citizens and local bodies improve city life? Answer. Cooperation leads to better services and a cleaner, safer environment. Question. Why is respect for public property important in urban areas? Answer. Public property is for everyone's use and should be protected from damage. Question. Differentiate between municipal corporation and Nagar Panchayat. Answer. A municipal corporation governs large cities, while a Nagar Panchayat governs small towns. Question. Differentiate between ward and city administration. Answer. A ward is a small unit, while city administration manages the entire city. Question. Differentiate between urban problems and rural problems. Answer. Urban problems include traffic and pollution, while rural problems include lack of basic facilities. Question. Differentiate between citizen duties and government duties in cities. Answer. Citizens follow rules and keep areas clean, while the government provides services. Question. Draw a flow chart showing the structure of urban local government. Answer. Students should draw a flow chart showing citizens right pointing arrow, wards right pointing arrow, urban local body. Question. Prepare a list of services provided by your city's municipal body. Answer. Services include water supply, sanitation, roads, street lights, parks, and health services. Question. Identify the type of urban local body in your town or city. Answer. Students should identify whether it is a municipal corporation, council, or Nagar Panchayat. Question. Make a poster on the role of citizens in keeping cities clean. Answer. Students should create a poster showing cleanliness, waste segregation, and cooperation. Question. Which urban body manages large metropolitan cities? Answer. Municipal Corporation. Question. Which authority collects property tax in cities? Answer. Urban local bodies. Question. Who represents people at the ward level? Answer. Ward councillor. Question. Which service is related to public health in cities? Answer. Sanitation. Question. Which level of government is closest to city residents? Answer. Urban local government. Question. What is meant by urbanization? Answer. Urbanization means the growth of population in towns and cities. Question. What is a municipality? Answer. A municipality is an urban local body that governs a town or city. Question. What is a municipal council? Answer. A municipal council is an urban local body that manages medium-sized towns. Question. What is meant by civic amenities? Answer. Civic amenities are facilities like water, roads, sanitation, and lighting provided by local bodies. Question. What is a ward committee? Answer. A ward committee helps the councillor in solving local problems of the ward. Question. What does public health mean? Answer. Public health refers to the health and well-being of people in a community. Question. Why do cities require planned administration? Answer. Cities require planned administration because of high population, traffic, waste generation, and demand for services. Question. How do urban local bodies help in controlling diseases? Answer. They maintain sanitation, clean drains, manage waste, and run health programs. Question. Why is waste management important in cities? Answer. Waste management is important to keep cities clean and prevent diseases. Question. How do wards help citizens raise local issues? Answer. Wards provide local representation through councillors who convey problems to authorities. Question. What is the role of urban local bodies in education? Answer. They run and maintain primary schools and provide basic educational facilities. Question. Explain the importance of urban local government for city life. Answer. Urban local government is important because it manages essential services such as water supply, sanitation, roads, healthcare, street lighting, and waste management, ensuring a better quality of life in cities. Question. Describe how urban local bodies deal with waste disposal. Answer. Urban local bodies collect garbage, segregate waste, transport it to disposal sites, and promote recycling and cleanliness drives. Question. Explain how urban local bodies support economic activities in cities. Answer. They provide markets, regulate street vending, maintain roads, and ensure basic services that support trade and employment. Question. Garbage is not being collected regularly in your area. What should be done? Answer. The issue should be reported to the ward councillor or municipal office for immediate action. Question. Street lights are not working in your locality. Who is responsible and why? Answer. The urban local body is responsible as it maintains street lighting for public safety. Question. A public toilet in your area is unhygienic. What action should be taken? Answer. Citizens should inform the municipal authority responsible for sanitation. Question. Which unit helps divide a city for better administration? Answer. Ward. Question. Which service helps prevent the spread of diseases? Answer. Sanitation. Question. Who is directly elected by people in a ward? Answer. Ward councillor. Question. Which urban body governs medium-sized towns? Answer. Municipal council. Question. Which activity is part of waste management? Answer. Garbage collection. Question. What is meant by a metropolitan city? Answer. A metropolitan city is a very large city with a high population and extensive urban facilities. Question. What is a mayor? Answer. A mayor is the elected head of a municipal corporation. Question. What is a municipal office? Answer. A municipal office is the administrative office of an urban local body. Question. What is property tax? Answer. Property tax is a tax collected by urban local bodies on houses and buildings. Question. What is a city budget? Answer. A city budget is a plan of income and expenditure prepared by the urban local body. Question. Name the different types of urban local bodies in India. Answer. The different types of urban local bodies are Municipal Corporation, Municipal Council, and Nagar Panchayat. Question. What is the role of the mayor in city administration? Answer. The mayor presides over meetings of the municipal body and represents the city in official functions. Question. How are urban local bodies funded? Answer. Urban local bodies are funded through taxes, fees, fines, and grants from the government. Question. Why are ward meetings important? Answer. Ward meetings help citizens raise local issues and participate in decision making. Question. What is the importance of drainage systems in cities? Answer. Drainage systems prevent waterlogging and help maintain public health. Question. Explain the sources of income of urban local bodies. Answer. Urban local bodies earn income through property tax, water tax, trade licenses, parking fees, fines, and government grants. Question. Describe the role of the mayor and municipal commissioner. Answer. The mayor is the political head, while the municipal commissioner is the administrative head responsible for implementation of decisions. Question. Explain how urban local bodies ensure citizen participation. Answer. Urban local bodies encourage citizen participation through ward committees, public meetings, complaint systems, and awareness programs. Question. Heavy waterlogging occurs in your area during monsoon. What should the urban local body do? Answer. The urban local body should clean drains, improve drainage systems, and plan proper water outlets. Question. Illegal dumping of garbage is seen in your locality. What steps should be taken? Answer. The municipal authority should penalize offenders, increase waste collection, and spread awareness. Question. Who is the administrative head of a municipal corporation? Answer. Municipal Commissioner. Question. Which tax is related to houses and buildings? Answer. Property tax. Question. Which body prepares the city budget? Answer. Urban local body. Question. Which system ensures people's participation at the local level? Answer. Ward committee.
If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.